Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel SAP EWM Vlogs. My name is Banu Teja. Here I came with a new topic, that is configuration of stock removal strategies. Okay, so today we are going to configure this process in the SAP EWM. So what is the essential role of this process means? Here whenever the customer orders any type of product, okay, so we have to pick the material from the high racks. Okay, so in this case uh, the system will automatically identify the material in the warehouse. Okay, that means in high rack storage types. Okay, and it will be moved to the goods issue staging area, and from there it will be loaded into the vehicle through the outbound door, and it will be supplied to the customer. Okay, so let us go on to this process. So here log into the SAP logon system, and here log on into the server. So here enter your user ID and password. So after logging on, execute the transaction code SPRO. Okay, SAP project reference object. Press enter. Here click on SAP reference IMG. IMG represents implementation guide. Execute, and here navigate to SCM extended warehouse management. Click on the drop down. Again click on extended warehouse management. Click on the drop down, and here we have to select this option, goods issue process. Click on this drop down again and click on strategies. Okay, so here we are having the main important steps: specify stock removal rules, specify storage type sequence, define stock removal control indicator, and determine storage type sequence for stock removal. Okay, so first of all we execute this first step, that is specify stock removal rules. Everybody having idea, right? Different type of removal rules like FIFO, LIFO, FEFO, and etc. FIFO means first in first out, LIFO means last in first out, FEFO FEFO means first expiry first out. Like this we are having different type of stock removal rules. Okay, so enter your warehouse, execute. So already we are having this one, this entry. So we choose a FIFO. Okay, and click on specify stock removal rules. So here we are having the one of the parameter, so date and time of goods received. Okay, like that we can mention a number of parameters. So you can see goods received date, we are having date and time of goods received, shelf-life expiration date, and stock quantity positive, like a number of parameters we are having. That means characteristics of the goods. Okay, characteristics of the material. Okay, so come back. Now click on this option, specify storage type search sequence, execute. So already I have maintained the entry. If you click on this position, I mentioned my warehouse. See here I have mentioned the pick. Okay, so I mentioned the warehouse number as MEWH, and storage type search sequence is pick, and description is storage type search sequence for simple pick. Okay, and we want to assign this storage types. So assign storage type to storage type sequence. Click on this option, assign storage types to storage type search sequence. So here we are assigning our storage types. Main hierarchy, okay, ME10 and ME20. So we have to assign these hierarchy storage types to this storage type source sequence, okay, and save it. Come back. Define stock removal control indicator, okay. So execute this operation, execute this option. I already have maintained this step. If you want to create this process, if you click on new entries, you can enter the warehouse number, and removal indicator. Some 4 alphanumeric code you can maintain. And description we can maintain, picking from some control indicator for stock removal. So like that we can maintain and save it. But already I have maintained this one. Okay. So click on position, enter the warehouse. So this is my removal indicator, pick. Okay. Okay. So this one I have deleting, is not required. Save it. Now come back. Now execute this operation. This option. Determine storage type source sequence for stock removal. Click on execute. Click on position, MEWH, press enter. So here I maintained. To maintain this entry, we have to click on new entries and we have to enter the warehouse number and the stock removal indicator. Okay, if you click on this option, you can see this is our stock removal indicator that we have maintained. Okay, and the warehouse process type is 2010. Okay, and storage type source sequences. Okay, we can create the new entries. So enter for sample, enter warehouse number and stock removal indicator is pick. You can also choose from here by clicking on this multiple selection option. You can click on this one and double click to choose this option. And warehouse process type is 2010. So warehouse process type, standard warehouse process type is stock removal 2010. And storage types or sequence. So storage types or sequence is this one, pick. And the stock removal rule, you can mention it as before, first in first output. Oh, already it exists with same key. No problem. H pick. Okay, I mentioned here pick and stock removal rule is FIFO, first in first output. Press enter and save it. Now come back. Now click on this option, optimize access for storage type determination in stock removal. Execute. So here we have to maintain this one. This MEWH. So already it is maintained. I want it to maintain again. So now we go to the warehouse process type. Click on class4 settings, warehouse task. Click on define warehouse process type. Click on the position. Here enter the warehouse number. Warehouse process type is 2010. Select this line and click on details. So here you can see destination bin is 9020. That means it is staging area. Destination bin is GI zone and control of HU peak. So here it is maintained the option as 1 because 1 indicates source HU as destination HU. That means if we got the material packed using carton or boxes or pallets, so destination also will be same HU. So in this, if you want the destination also same HU, then you can maintain the option as 1. Okay, uh, that's all. And activities pick, whereas process category is stock removal. Okay, now save it. Now come back. Now, if you go to the material master, so I create the new material. So let us take army bag. I mention as army bag. Okay, the industry type. This sector is M mechanical engineering. Material type is I will take raw material and selected the views basic data 1, basic data 2, sales views, organization data 1, organization data 2, general plan data, purchasing, general plan data storage 1, general plan data storage 2, accounting 1, accounting 2, warehouse management execution, and packaging. Click on continue. Enter plant, enter store location, enter sales organization, enter the distribution channel, press enter. Now copy this one and paste here. Basic unit measure is each. Two group I mentioned as 0, 1. Gross weight is 1 and 1. C data I mentioned as English. Okay, simple. Sample I'm entering this one. Press enter. Press enter. We have to enter the tax indicators. Press enter. Again press enter. I mentioned general item category group as norm. Norm, okay. NORM. Norm standard item. Okay. Press enter. Availability check is 1. Daily requirements. Loading group is 001. Press enter. Accounting we have to maintain the valuation class as 3000. Price control is in moving average price. To press enter we have to enter the price here. Okay. So finally save it. We have to extend it to other store locations. Execute slash and MMSC. Here enter the plant as MEHY. Enter AFS, PROD, consumption, and save it. Okay, successfully we have created the material, but this material should be also extended to the EWM. So we have to create a product master record. The transaction code is /and/SCWM slash mat1. Press enter. Enter the product code, product name, warehouse number is MEWH, and press enter. Automatically we can get party title to dispose code. Now click on create. So in warehouse data we have to enter stock removal control is pick. Okay. Put away control yesterday we have done, right? I mentioned as put away. So now today I will show you put away and stock removal also. Okay. Now save it. First of all, you have to get this material from the vendor, right? So execute ME21N. So enter the supplier, vendor code, enter purchase organization, purchasing group, company code. Now enter the material code. Enter. So enter the quantity that you require. Enter 10 quantity. Net price I'm entering 1000. Plant I'm entering HY. Store location is ROD. Okay. In the confirmations tab, you have to mention inbound delivery 0004. Now press enter and save it. Okay. Successfully PO got created. Copy it. So now we have to release this PO. To release the PO, we have to execute the transaction code ME29N. Okay. Press enter. Click on other purchase order here. So here you enter the purchase order that you have created recently and click on other document. Now navigate to header tab and here select this list strategy tab and see, you can see the code and description. That means that the role of the person who will apply release. That means who will release this document. You can see either name or his role. Okay, and status is yellow triangle. That means still it is not released. So if you release option, you can see tick and pen mark. If you click on this option, so the status has been tick mark. That means now this purchase order is released. Okay, now click on save it. Okay, now we will do the inbound delivery. So the transaction code for inbound delivery is VA31N. Enter to execute. So here we have to enter supplier code and a purchase order number, delivery date, and some external ID you have to maintain. Maintaining this code. So delivery quantity is 10. Okay. So now click on save it. Okay. So inbound delivery got generated, distributed to the warehouse management system. Now copy this inbound delivery code, save it. Now ERP process, I mean S4HANA activity is completed. Now we have to make inbound delivery through EWM. Okay. So the transaction code is slash and slash SEWM slash ERDI. Center. So here select the option document number ID for inbound delivery and enter this inbound delivery number and execute. Okay. Now click on unload and so unloading is completed here and click on goose receipt. So now goose receipt also completed. Now click on inbound delivery. In the menu bar, you are having the option inbound delivery. Click on follow-on functions and warehouse task. Okay. See here under the warehouse request tab, we are having the header details which contains warehouse request number, source bin. Source bin is 9010. Okay, let us go to the diagram. It is very easy to explain for you. Now I will draw the warehouse, the sample explanation. It's easy for you to understand. Okay, let us take this GI staging area. And also this is a GI staging area. Okay, so these are the hierarchs. So also hierarchs, storage type. is 9010. This is GI staging area. Sorry, GR staging area. It is cruise is it right? GR staging area. Okay, and this is an inbound door 9030. Okay, this is IPD one. Okay. Similarly, I mentioned door two also. So here it is 9020. That is GI staging area. GI staging area, and this is 9040 loading point. That means outbound OBD door. So here we do unloading. Okay. So GR staging area already having the pin ZR zone. So let's consider this is ME10 high rack and ME20 high rack. This entire warehouse is BWH. Okay. Okay. So now, yeah, see here. Now the material is being received from the vendor. The material is received from the vendor. We have done unloading. We have done the GRM course receipt. Now stock is being here. Okay. Now the stock is in here. The material is placed here. Okay. Let us consider this as a material. Okay. Material. Okay. Material X. Okay. So this is a material X that is came from the vendor to the one of the vehicle, and it is unloaded into the 9030. After unloading, it was went to the GR goes it. So now the material is in GR staging area. Okay. So now how much quantity is 10 quantity. Okay. 10 quantity. The stock type is F1. So now if you click on create, you see, if you click on create, you can see the destination storage type is automatically fetched by the system using put away strategies which we have done yesterday. Okay, the previous class we have maintained the configuration for put away strategies. System will automatically fetch the destination bin. Okay, so if you click on save it, so warehouse order is created. Okay, see here. Now this material will go to the so and so this destination bin. Okay, now we have to confirm this warehouse task. So here you can see an item data. It's moving from 9010 to ME10 section 1, and destination bin is some. This is a destination bin. Okay. So this will be stored in this destination bin. So now it will be free material. Okay, it is not inbound material or outbound material. It is a free material which is stored in the free identification material which is stored in the hierarch bin. Okay, So now we confirm this warehouse order also. Confirm and click on save it. Okay. So warehouse task is confirmed for the warehouse order. Now let us check the stock. Way to check the stock: execute /n/scwm/mon. Press enter. Enter the warehouse order warehouse number. Monitor is escaping. Click on execute. So here click on stock and bin, storage bin, and to click on storage bin. So here we are getting the one of the input fields. So here I enter the storage type is ME10 and execute. So if we select all the storage bins and click on physical stock, you can see the different materials which is being stored here. Okay. So here you can see the army bag. Or also you can search in another way. Copy this material code and go to the available physical stock or available stock. Enter the product name and click on execute. By this one also we can fetch. Here you can see the available quantity is 10. The stock type will be F2. Okay. Now we have to do the goods issue. So to make the goods issue, first of all we have to raise the sales order. When the sales order has been created, if the customer raises the requirement, okay, if the customer raises the order, any customer, if he raises the order that he want to purchase so and so material, so then in this case we have to create the sales order. So the transaction code is VA01. So order type is OR, standard storage, standard document type is OR. And so we have to enter the sales area, distribution channel and division channel, and select enter. So here enter the customer code. Here I'm entering the customer code, customer reference, sales order 13, customer reference date, and material. What is the material? Army bag. So how much quantity we are having? 10 quantity, but customer has ordered 5 quantity. Okay, let us enter 5 quantity. The payment terms, immediately payment, in terms, cost right. Here for means cost and freight. Okay. For location, I enter some Visakhapatnam, something. Enter. So not only up to now, still some important steps are being maintained here. We have to complete that. So double click on this material, go to shipping, enter the PAN code, store location is AFS, shipping point is MESP, GSP or MESP, yeah, MGSP. Third pages, document, it's not okay, not required. Conditions, so we have to enter our price, selling price, enter 1200. So now come back and click on completion log. I think nothing is there, everything we have given. Now click on save it. Okay, standard or sale order is created. Now sale order number is been noted. Now we have to create outbound delivery. The transaction code for outbound delivery is VL01N. VL01N. Press enter. Shipping point is MGSP. Press enter. Schedule is not there. Yeah. Okay, so deliver quantity is 5 and save it. Outbound delivery is created and it is been distributed to the warehouse management system. Copy this outbound delivery number, copy it. After creating the outbound delivery in the S4 HANA system, we have to create warehouse task activities and warehouse order and loading and goods issue activity in the EWM system. Okay, so let us go to the process. Now execute the transaction code /n/SEWM slash PRDO. Press enter to execute. Okay, sorry. /n/SEWM slash PRDO. Press enter. Okay, so here against the document type, doc number ODO, it means outbound delivery order, we have to enter the outbound delivery which is created in S4 HANA system. Okay, now click on execute. So you can get the details here. You can get the document number, document category, and this document category description, document type description, warehouse number, shipping office, and status of picking, packing, loading, and goods issue. Okay, so if you click on this switch to form view, so what type of data we can get here? See here, we have mentioned the Incoterms and the document type is OUTB. Okay, for EWM, the document type is OUTB. OUTB, outbound delivery order. Document category is PDO. Okay, and if you go to item details, scroll down, see here, item category is DLV. For outbound delivery, or item type is ODLV. Okay, so here this document has been, the document types of header data and item data have been interlinked with each other in the configuration. So that's why we are all getting this information in the EWM screen. Okay, without this maintenance, without this combination, we can't get this data in the EWM system. Okay, now click on outbound delivery order in the menu bar and click on follow functions, warehouse task, and see here, we are having two tabs, warehouse request and handling unit. So in the warehouse request, so we are getting our warehouse request number and warehouse process type is 2010, which is standard. Okay, it is used in stock removal process. And how much quantity we are picking from the bin? 10 quantity. So what is the product name? This is the product name, sample mat 2. If you want to see the details, switch to form view and you can see the party entitled to dispose is mega PED and the stock type is F2. Okay, now again click on switch on form view, select this line and click on create warehouse task. See here how my system has been fetching this information. I didn't enter anything manually. System automatically fetching the source bin where the product is being stored. See here, the product is stored in the warehouse in the particular storage type, the certain section and certain bin, and destination bin is also maintained automatically. This is GI staging area and overall destination section of 9020 and the bin code. And how much quantity? 10 quantity. Okay. So I will show you in Excel form. Okay. I will show you in Excel. Let us consider this is a warehouse. Let us consider this is the warehouse. Okay. So these are the high racks. On me. Okay. Let us consider these are the high racks. Okay. This is the GI staging area, and these are out outbound doors. Okay. So this is the 9020 staging GI staging area. That means goods issue staging area. This is bin code is GI zone. Totally is one bin. Okay. Totally it is one bin. According to certain company requirements, they make certain bins. Okay. Let us, for example, I have taken one bin and one bin code, and this is the outbound doors. Okay. This is called 9040. Okay. So let us take this is a storage type ME10. This is a storage type ME20. So these all are the bins. Okay, these all are the storage bins. Let us okay, these all are the various storage bins. Okay, so how the system when I'm creating the warehouse task, how my system is fetching automatically, because we have applied the store strategies, stock removal strategies. Okay, so we have maintained the warehouse process type combination also. We have maintained the put stock removal control indicator assigned to the sample mat 2, and also we have maintained the determination of this stock removal strategies. So in that purpose, the system is automatically fetching this source bin to fetch the material. Okay, it is searching the bin automatically by itself and mentioning the bin in the warehouse task. Okay, and also mentioning the destination bin. So from where it is taking, from so and so ME10-01-02-05. Okay, so let us consider like this is the bin. Okay, this is the storage bin. Okay, this is the storage bin. From this, I am collecting the material with 10 quantity, and I'm shifting to the GI staging area, GI zone. Okay, I am shifting to the GI zone where it is called as storage type 9020. Okay, 9020. Okay, now I have created, right? Now I will save this warehouse task. Okay, successfully it is got saved and warehouse order also created. Now we confirm this warehouse task. Okay, okay. Now see here. Now warehouse order. So warehouse order means this is the final step. Okay, it is having the warehouse order creation rule HC01. Activity area is our storage bin, sorry, storage type ME10, and it is open. Okay, who is creating this task? So and so user. Creation date and creation time, and in this particular 30 minutes. And Q is outbound. You can also do it in uh, RF guns, that means radio frequency guns. But I am directly doing here in the EWM uh, SAP GI screen to because you can understand very easily. I also explain in RF scenarios also. No need to worry. And coming to item details, see here, the warehouse task is 5000206, which comes under warehouse order. Okay, and the product is a sample mat 2. From where, so from where it is fetching, so and so source bin ME10. There is a storage bin, storage section, and destination bin is 9020, ZI zone, and storage section. Process category is 2, that means stock removal. Okay, and document category is PDO. Already I told you PDO. And the activity is pick, stock type is F2, and the storage process is jet out. Okay, and activity area I told ME10. Owner and disposal party is same role because it is same company having both warehouse and uh, product manufacturing everything. So they will make, there are owners and there are also making the disposal. Okay, okay, now I will save this. I will save. 1 minute. You have to select this line and click on 1 minute. We have to confirm. First confirm and click on save it. Okay, now warehouse task confirmed from the warehouse order. Now warehouse order is also confirmed. Okay, now we find, now we come back. Now what will we have to come back? Okay, okay, picking completed. Now we have to do the loading. Now stock is at 9020. Okay, loading means the material will move from 9020 to 9040. Okay, this is the outbound door. OBD door. Okay, time changing. OBD door. Door 1 and door 2. Okay, no problem. Door 1 and door 2. Okay, so we have to make unloading, right? So click on unloading. So sorry, loading. Stock gets loaded in the vehicle, which is docked in the outbound door, and finally click on goods issue. This is the final step. Okay, goods issue is completed successfully from the EWM. Now let us check the status in ERP in outbound delivery. The transaction code is VL03M to display the outbound delivery. So we enter the outbound delivery number, press enter. Now navigate to the goods movement data. See here, goods movement status is completed. Okay, goods movement status is completed, which indicates with alphabet C. Now let us see whether the document has been created. Okay, go to the new screen and execute MB51. Okay, so here I enter a sample mat2 and the portion date I entered today. So let us see, execute. See here, see here, 10 quantity has been generated. Okay, this is a material document. So successfully we have done the goods issue. Okay, to the customer. So this is the process of stock removal strategies configuration in SAP EWM. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, share this video to your friends and your colleagues, and subscribe to my channel. And I will come with a new video in the next class. Until see you, bye bye, take care.